you doing, everybody? My name's Darcy. I run a web design and development firm here in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada called Pixel Factory. You can check us out online at pixelfactory.ca. Today I just wanted to chat with you a little bit about this endeavor that I'm taking on right now. I'm actually trying to start a new website basically from scratch, and I wanted to show you my progression as it kind of moves forward and turns into something. Right now, it's really nothing. It's a website that I actually bought the domain for years and years and years ago. I mean, not years ago, but maybe about 3 years ago. And I didn't really do anything with it. I just bought the domain. I think I had a really basic WordPress theme put up there, and then I started to add content on it, and then I just forgot about it. But it's been sitting there for a little while, and I thought, why not try to breathe some life into this thing and see if we can take it somewhere, and then actually document the whole process, because this is something that I've done before with other sites and seen some success. So I thought, well, why not start from scratch? Let's see if we can do this from scratch and just show you the progress. So how to get from point A to point B. So right now I'm working on this website, and it's called bootstrapthemes.ca. That's the URL. And basically it is a website. I'll show it to you, where I have a whole bunch of themes set up for Bootstrap themes, because I really love Bootstrap, and I'm web developer, website creator, and I've actually created a few themes. So now what I'm doing here is I'm actually starting to turn it into something real. So I'll actually be selling themes and stuff like this on this website. Right now you can see there's 4 of these themes that I've got going on, but initially I just had these kind of 2, and they're not even really that good. They're kind of just clunky. These are the ones that I put on several years ago, and then just kind of forgot about them. And anyways, I in the last couple of weeks anyways, I thought, well, I'm going to see what I can do with it. I had these 2 themes. One of them is called Design Principles, and the other one's called Foundation. Now I've already actually had Google Analytics set up for this site this whole time, and so it actually is, it's not really getting traffic, but it is being indexed. So I'm just going to show you on the Search Console. Google Search Console. If I go to this website, it's called bootstrapthemes.ca, and I look at its performance, you can see here, this is sort of the performance in the last 3 months, and it's gotten a total of no clicks, 195 impressions. So it's been seen, but nobody's actually clicked on it yet. So I can see here from looking at this that I am getting some impressions, probably the most impressions, from this query here, Foundation Bootstrap, right? And this has sort of been going up over time, and it's because there's a competitor to Bootstrap. If you know anything about front-end frameworks, there's a few of them out there. One of them is Bootstrap, and then another one is called Foundation. And it just so happens that I happen to have a theme that's called Foundation. So that's probably why this is actually getting impressions. A few days ago when I looked at this, when I did a search term through Google using those terms, Foundation, Bootstrap, I found that I was on page 11 of the results. So not so good. But I thought, like, let's try and see if I can like rank a little bit better. So in the last like probably week or so, or week or 2 weeks, something like that, I've been trying to get to, trying to improve my ranking, at least like especially with like that query, because it seems to be like registering already. I'm registering for it already. Let's see if I can kind of move it forward, keep going, and get a little bit higher up on the search results. And it seems to be working. Like, what I've been doing is actually adding more content to my website, and that's in terms of just like making sure that like I have a couple other themes. You can see I've put like more themes on there, and then I've actually started to structure some of the keywords and the schema for SEO in the website, so that it actually helps Google understand kind of like what this website's all about. And anyways, kind of initial stages. It's only been like about a week, maybe two, not even, and I've already improved to find myself on the 7th page of the search results. So I'm happy about that. And honestly, like, I think if I do a little bit more work, I'll continue to like move up. So I think one of the next things I'm going to try is actually create an actual blog post about Foundation and Bootstrap, and maybe do a comparison between the two. And maybe if later on down the road I have like even more time, I can actually like maybe create a Foundation theme and put that on the website as well. But those are some of the tactics that I'm thinking about like using in order to at least like improve my ranking on this kind of long tail keyword query. So even though I'm not like ranking, I'm probably not even really ranking for Bootstrap themes, I am getting impressions for Foundation Bootstrap. So I'm going to try to like strengthen that a little bit. And because the demographic or the market that I'm kind of going after is similar to that, they probably are familiar with like Foundation and Bootstrap. So I think if if I can do like some really simple things like create a few blog posts about Foundation, I'll manage to like move up the ranks a little bit. We'll find out. That's what you're going to find out. If you follow along, you'll see me kind of like moving through this process in real time. So and you'd be surprised. Like right now, like I don't really have like a fantastic website. It's really just pretty rough. I'm still just kind of like building it, scratching it together bit by bit. And you can see like even like with the blog, I'll show you what the blog looks like on this website. It is not great. Like I've done absolutely no styling to it whatsoever. So it's really just like an index page, a WordPress index page, and it's just like blah, 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 blah. Content that I wrote like, here and there years ago. So anyways, there's lots of opportunity for improvement here, but like you can see here that like you don't need much to get started. The barriers to entry and like actually starting a website and starting to like rank and stuff like that are pretty low. But as long as you like are consistent and you keep at it, which is kind of like what I'm going to be doing, you'll be able to see some results actually start to come together. So hopefully I'll be able to like rank a little bit better like within that search query, and then over time maybe start to actually look at some other keywords that I can start ranking for and actually start to build out this website. So you'll kind of see how it actually evolves in real time. So that's kind of where we're at right now. I just thought I would just share that with you. So if you're interested in seeing how this like evolves, be sure to subscribe and check it out. I'll be posting these videos every once in a while whenever there's probably some new milestone that I've crossed. So check it out, and also check out this website. I'd really love it if you could take a look at the website and give me your thoughts, give me your feedback. buy a theme, whatever it is. Yeah, check it out. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.